Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi dear friends, how are you? So today's lesson is 50 plus vocabulary words for you. So the first is pour. He is pouring the water in the glass. Next is defend, and the other is attack. The one with sword is attacking the other person, and the one with shield is defending himself. This is pull. He pulled the door and let the cat in. Pull. This is called push. He pushed the door and get in. Push. Graduate. Graduate. She just graduated from the college. This is discharge. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Discharge. Discharge from the hospital after recovery. And this is called hospitalize. She is hospitalized. Hospitalized. This is dig. He is digging in the garden. Dig. Help. Help. It's good to help each other. Help. Hug. Hug. They are hugging. This is called swipe. He swiped his debit card. Hide. Hide. The kids are playing hide and seek in the garden. Hide. This is called drown. They are drowning. Drown. Wake up. She wakes up early in the morning. Burn. Burn. He got his skin burned from the sun. Decoration. Decoration. She's decorated the house for her birthday. Feed. Feed. He is feeding the chickens. Cross. Cross. The students are crossing the road. Shake. Shake. He is shaking the bottle. Scold. Scold. He is scolding his younger brother. Sink. Sink. The sink is full of water. Spit. Spit. It's really bad spitting on the floor. Ask. Let me ask you something. Chew. Chew. He is chewing his food. Collect. Collect. She is collecting. Slap. Slap. He slapped him. Poop. She is doing poop in the toilet. Yawn. You usually yawn when you wake up. Yawn. Rescue. Rescue. The girl is being rescued by the team. Iron. Iron. The young lady is ironing the clothes. Sweep. Sweep. You sweep to make your house looks clean. Mop. Mop. She is mopping the floor. Recover. They have recovered from their ailments. Blow. He is blowing the bubbles. Blow. Fell. He just fell on the floor. Fell. So this video has come to an end. I hope you like this video and I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Please must subscribe the channel, must like the video, and must comment in the comment section below. That would be really appreciated. And thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.